I recreated my favorite drink and it's so good. It's from Doma, a hidden gem in River North with the best food, and this is the drink. Let's recreate it. Only 5 ingredients: elderflower, Topo Chico, fresh orange juice, fresh lemon juice. I opted to make my own, which was a lot, and honey. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, I pretty much eyeballed everything, so I'm not any help in that arena, but this is what it looks like. I added the Topo Chico, and let me tell you, I know it seems simple, but these ingredients together is like an explosion in your mouth.